All right, welcome back. I want to show you the progress that we have made on this house in Santa Fe Springs. Um, so let me walk you through it because we're ready to hit the market in a few weeks. So let me show you. This is the progress so far. One of the things that I've been struggling with a little bit is the grass. But it's coming together. It's just certain areas that need more attention, like this edge right here, but we're working on it. So once again, we're going with the black and white. I like the white on the house, black on the trims, black doors. I think it makes it look pretty fancy. And this time I installed this gate. I'll show you more of the gate a little later, but let's walk through the property. We made significant progress. Here you can see the open space that we wanted to accomplish. Right there in the middle, we needed to remove a post and we did a beam so we could accomplish that open space between this area, which is the dining area. It's a little small, but it works. This is where the kitchen is going to be with an island. Dishwasher goes on the left hand side, then the sink, and then on the opposite side we have the stove. It wasn't originally this way, but we wanted to do it this way. So we see the side of the house. With this door here, we allow more natural light to come in because it was a little dark in the past. And now it looks pretty bright in my opinion. So we went ahead and replaced this entire beam, as you can see, for proper support of the roof. And yeah, so we're gonna be looking at an open space living room area, which is what most people actually are looking for nowadays. Yeah, so look at the backyard. It's still a little bit of a mess. We're gonna be cleaning this up very soon. And most of the time, we want buyers to do whatever they want to accomplish here in the back. But you see my windows, you see my doors, my French doors right here. I love them. And let's walk through the entire property. I don't know if you guys remember that there was a wall right there, so we got rid of it to create more of the open space feeling. This is the first room with the black ceiling fan. It's gonna look great. I'm also waiting for my closet doors. Those are the ones that have mirror and with the black trim. They're gonna look so good. Because I also do black handles, and you're gonna be seeing that in the next a few days. So my shower's in, my tub. There's gonna be an LED mirror, and then the second room is about the same size as the other one. And again, I was able to accomplish putting two of about the same size closet spaces because they didn't have it. We had to move some things around. And this is the third room. A few changes went in here, but the closet space is a little bit bigger. So this is the update so far, and I cannot wait to show you more once the island is in and the rest of the house. Talk to you guys soon.